No sooner than is used to show that something happens immediately after another thing. In other words, it's used to show that the second event happens right after the first event. For example, no sooner had I reached the station than it started raining. Or we can also say, no sooner did I reach the station than it started raining. I prefer no sooner had to no sooner did. Just remember that you have to change the form of the verb according to your preference. So if you're using no sooner had past perfect, you must use the past participle. If you're using no sooner did, you must use the base form of the verb. Some people feel that if no sooner is used at the beginning of a sentence, it sounds formal and literary. So if you're one of them, you can also use it in the following manner. The cat had no sooner seen the man than it hid under the sofa. She had no sooner started doing her homework than the telephone rang. If you ask me, in this case, the past perfect tense no sooner had sounds better than the simple past no sooner did. In the exam, they might ask you to join two sentences using no sooner than. For example, Jerry saw Tom, Jerry ran away. You can say, no sooner had Jerry seen Tom than he ran away. Jerry had no sooner seen Tom than he ran away. No sooner did Jerry see Tom than he ran away. Now, you have to keep something in mind. First, it's not THEN, then it's THAN, than. Secondly, we do not use a comma before than. So, remember that. Okay? I hope you got to learn something new. Now, if you want to support me, if you want to support my channel, please click the like button before you leave and leave a comment below. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos of this sort, and share this video with someone who can benefit from it. Okay? Until next time, this is RB signing off.